right. It is Tuesday, June 15th, 2021. It is vlog 109. I'm just going to kind of do a quick one. It's a little bit late. I don't know what I was doing today. I think I was just doing some other stuff, and I didn't get to the vlog till now. We just got done shopping. We did some grocery shopping. We haven't done that in a while. And that was pretty cool. But today, I guess all of the restrictions are lifting for vaccinated people, I guess. So everything's kind of weird. We went out shopping, and it was like some people wearing masks, some weren't. We just wore our masks. It's all good. I'm not in a hurry for anything. It's kind of crazy. But yesterday, it was a hot day, and actually I left the vlog saying, hey, I might go skateboarding, and I did go skateboarding, and I'll probably actually I'll recap for tomorrow, then I'll add the videos. Yeah, I just did a few little vlogs while I did a bike ride, skate, but it was hot. It was kind of crazy. But I wrote down here, felt like I had some breathing room to do what I felt like doing yesterday on Monday, so I did. I went skateboarding. So I went on a bike ride and skate, took a little bit of footage, which I'll show you in a few. But I went to Cherry, and when I was like at Cherry, I usually change my wheels because I have like some cruiser wheels that are just cool for cruising the street, and then ones that I use in the park. But I just have them like with the bearings already in them. And when I took out my skate park wheels, the bearings were all rusted. So I was like, dang it. So I just go, you know what? I'm just going to go get some new bearings. So I decided to go down to Pharmacy skate. I didn't even film that. I should have filmed it. It was kind of funny. Pharmacy downtown, my boy Boo Johnson's spot. And I went and I was looking at bearings, and then I go, maybe I should just get some new wheels. And I was talking to the guy. He goes, yeah, we just got some new Spitfires. And then we got into a talk about, like, what's the best wheels? And he's all Spitfires. And then I go, do you have 54s? And he's like, yeah. And then so I just got the wheels and the bearings. And actually, I was kind of excited because I've been wanting to try some Spitfire wheels. I used to ride pig wheels because, I don't know why. I used to get them for free because I knew the guy over there, Mike Sinclair, and I used to get wheels all the time. But I don't go through wheels that much, and I had a new set that I've been riding that I had gotten years ago. It was kind of crazy. But I've been wanting to try either Bones or Spitfire, but the guy was so adamant about the Spitfire, so I was like, cool. But they feel good. They're not as hard as my old wheels that were the pig wheels. It's kind of crazy. And actually, I tried them out because I went down to, after that, I went to Ghetto Park because it's just down the street. Actually, I saw Tweety. That was cool. I saw Tweety at the skate shop. And it's kind of funny because I'm seeing all the kids all grown up that I used to skate at the skate park, or at Mike Green Park, because I've been skating there for quite a while. If you look back on my YouTubes, like my first videos were at that skate park. Like I had an old camera, and it was funny. I think it was like 10 years ago. It was kind of crazy. And these are all the kids that are grown up. Tweety is one of them. And like when I was at Mike Green, I had a picture. I skated. It was hot, and then one of the young, that used to be young, he's older now. He came up to the there's a memorial to Louis James there, and like he was cleaning it up, and then he decided to like draw like a bomb on there, like on this piece of wood. It was kind of crazy because he was sitting there, and I have a cool picture of it. I just thought it was really cool. And yeah, it kind of tripped me out because it was like Louis James. He was like he grew up skateboarding there, and he got really good, got into drugs and all that other stuff, and yeah, that happens in the hood. But his friend, it was kind of cool. His memorial inspired him to draw something. It was kind of cool. I just saw that. It was nice. But the new wheels were cool. I was just trying them out at the skate park. They fixed they had changed the fun box and made it all metal, but it was all weird dimensions, and they changed it and fixed it. So, but I still don't like that metal. Kind of sucks. But anyways, I had fun skating there. Once I ran out of water, I was like, oh no, I can't skate anymore. Actually, like, it was so hot, like I got the cramps in my thighs. Once that happens, they just don't go away. I just didn't have enough water, so I decided to leave, cruise back to Cherry Park, and then there was not really anybody hanging out. Well, there was people, but none of the homies. And so then I decided to go get acai bowls, which I did at True Nature. And then True Nature, yeah, I was coming back and actually dropped one of my acai bowls. It kind of sucks, but I saved some of it, or most of it. But it sucked because I dropped it. And then I was tired from my little bike ride and being in the sun like that. It was hot, so we decided to order Gypsies for dinner. But that was yesterday. That was kind of cool. I'm not going to show the weather today, but it was actually hot today too. Actually, I'll look at it. Yeah, we had a high of 82 today, and it was kind of more humid, so it felt like Hawaii weather. It was kind of crazy. But yeah, that was my day today. I'll go to the videos of yesterday here. Bam. All right, it's June 14th. It is Monday, 2021. Yes, on my vlog, I was saying I was going to go on a bike ride, so I think I am. I'm going to go on a bike ride, go check out the skate parks, just go on a cruise. Not really planning anything. I'm just going to go to Cherry, and then I want to go skate the half pipe for a minute, see how I feel, and then basically go from there. But it's a beautiful day, light breeze, just pumped up my tires, tightened my chain on my bike, and about to rock out of here. So see you in a minute. Alright, so I just got here to Cherry Park. It's kind of warm out here right now. It's pretty crazy, but I'm gonna change my wheels. I have my soft wheels on right now, but either way I'm gonna change them because I'm gonna go over to the park and skate the thing. But there's some homies here. Here he goes. Let's see if he gets it. That's the film pressure. That's what it's all about, man. Here, we'll get another one. See if we can get a trick. It's a little hot out here. Alright, I'm gonna change these wheels and maybe roll around for a minute. Peace. Alright, I have to make a quick detour to Long Beach Skate. I just realized my wheels on my skate wheels are rusted, or my bearings are, so I'm just gonna go get new bearings. So, and then come back. Alrighty, see you in a bit. Alright, I'm out here at my green park, ghetto park, just hanging out, taking a few runs, but it's hot as hell right now. It's about 80 degrees right now. It's fucking crazy. Out with the homies. He's out here bombing on Lewis's shit right now. Lewis? Yep, Lewis forever. But just been hanging out, trying to get this kickflip, but my legs just got super cramped. It's so hot out here. I need more hydration. It's pretty cool. And the park seems, everybody's like just slowly skating. That's like the mood out here right now, right? Some guys skating the ramp. I think later in the day, in the afternoon, when it cools down, everybody comes out and like skates and stuff. But see if I can rest off these cramps. If not, I'm just gonna ride down to Cherry, maybe chill out, and then I don't know, maybe I'll get an acai bowl or something. We shall see. All right, I'll see you in a minute. Boom, and that was my day. Thought it was pretty cool. I only took a few vlogs and stuff like that, but it was cool. And right now, I'm just waiting for my my dinner. We're doing a late dinner. It's like 9 o'clock. Me and Carrie were talking about it today, but we're on European time. Usually in the morning, we don't eat breakfast or brunch till 11. We'll have coffee till about 11. And today we thought we had to go into DII, but we didn't. So we ended up just working on some computer stuff, taking care of a few customers that were calling in, and yeah, tomorrow I have a DI appointment. I have my and my lesson. Oh, what time is that appointment tomorrow?
Yeah.
1:30. Perfect. All right, we're good on the appointments. Yeah, because I have lessons tomorrow and Ook Social, and but yeah, I think that's all I have for right now. Yeah, I did play some music today. I'm on this one song. I wrote it down actually. I was like, it's Black Pumas, and I've been on this song. Let's see if I can remember. That'll be my ukulele thing for today. This is the first lyric. Woke up to the morning sky first, baby blue just like we rehearsed. Then I get off the ground, I shake the leaves back, down to the brown, 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 till I'm clean. Oh my god. That's the new song I'm working on right now. It's by Black Pumas. My new favorite song. I always have favorite songs out, every once in a while, or not every once in a while, but I like to listen for new songs, and this one is cool. Cool group. Love the beat, and that's that. So, it is June 14th, 2021. It is vlog. Oh, I know. Tuesday, June 15th, 2021. It is vlog 109, and that's all I have for you today. And like always, every day,
Keep on strumming your ukulele, baby.
Keep on strumming ukulele.
I'm buying tickets to Hawaii.
Uh-oh, we're buying tickets to Hawaii. I guess we're going to Hawaii. So we shall see when that's going to be. Stay tuned, to be continued.